Hello everyone. So the module called POS Refund via Voucher will help you to convert refund money into a voucher. Let me show you how it works. First we go into point of sale. Over here in the configuration settings, you need to first add the voucher product over here as well as the validity days. So you can simply add the validity days. I have added 5 here. So till 5 days the voucher will be validated. Also you can allow partial use of refund and also set the limit of so this voucher can be used twice to refund. So let me save this out and let's go. Let me quickly open a duplicate tab over here and let me go into new session. Once I will go into new session, I will make a order. So as you can see, I have created this order and I will add the customers. As of now, I'm adding this as a customer and I will make the payment. So I need to just select the bank or any of the source and let me quickly make this as a payment. So to go ahead with refund, you just simply have to click on to refund and you will get all the orders in the session. So you need to simply click in which order you want to make the refund and simply click over which refund you want to, and you can add the refund and click on refund. Once you have seen, let me quickly make the payment, and now in the payment you need to select a refund via voucher. So this money will go into this voucher. Let me validate this, and this one is validated. Also you will able to see the refund product reducing the money. Now let's go into backend and check in the order. As you can see in the order, the refund is generated and all the details is here. Now let's go into voucher, and into the voucher you will see the voucher created. So this is the voucher created and this is the voucher code. Let me quickly copy this out, and now let's go again on the POS screen. So now let's quickly select an order. So I want a drawer black and I can add the customer. You need to add the same customer, otherwise it will show an error. You need to paste the code. So I have pasted the code and apply. Once you have pasted the code, it will get applied and the money will be deducted from the voucher itself. Let me do the payment and add and validate it. As you can see, this is validated. Now let's go again in the backend and check. So as you can see, the new order is created and into that the refund voucher is generated. To see the history, you can simply go and click over voucher history and you can simply check which is debited and credited. As you can see, this one is credited in the voucher and this one is debited. If you want, you can again make the order. As we have set the limit as 2, you can again go ahead and select any of the order. As of now I'm selecting this. Again you need to select the same way and you need to click over here and add the code. Now let's apply and it will get applied. So let me quickly do the validation and payment, and here we go. If the voucher limit is exceeded, it will generate a user error. So let's check the user error now. So I will add the lamp over here. I will again let me add another customer and add the code. So it will generate an error that the code is not valid as exceeded the limit. So let me close this out and let's go again in the backend and see the voucher history. As you can see, again the voucher history is came, and also in the order it will generate, and into the order itself you can also see all the details and the refunded order smart button. So this is how this module will help you to just convert refund into voucher. If you have any query, please write down your query in a comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.